Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about innovations in personal transportation, the 2026 Carol-I-powered bike. This next-generation vehicle blends cutting-edge artificial intelligence with electric mobility, setting a new standard for smart commuting, fitness, and eco-friendly travel. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a cycling lover, or someone looking to upgrade their urban mobility solution, this review will guide you through all the essential details you need to know about the Carol-I-powered bike, including its specs, features, performance, and overall value. The 2026 Carol bike stands out immediately with its sleek and futuristic design. The frame is crafted from lightweight yet durable carbon composite material, giving it an aerodynamic profile without sacrificing strength. It's clearly built for both city commuters and long-distance riders, combining agility with robust structural integrity. The minimalistic styling, integrated lighting system, and hidden cable management all point to a product that was designed with aesthetics and practicality in mind. Under the hood, or rather within the frame, lies the real innovation. The bike is powered by an intelligent AI system that adapts to your riding habits over time. It learns your preferred speed, terrain preferences, and riding posture to optimize motor assistance. This means the more you ride, the more personalized and efficient the experience becomes. The AI also makes real-time decisions to conserve battery life or boost power based on route and rider behavior. The motor is a silent yet powerful 500W rear hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and adaptive torque for climbing steep hills or zipping through flat roads. A major highlight is the smart fitness integration. The Carol AI bike doubles as a personal trainer on wheels. It measures your VO2 max, heart rate zones, and energy expenditure with clinical precision thanks to built-in biometric sensors and real-time data analytics. This data is displayed on the vibrant full-color touchscreen mounted on the handlebar. You can customize training programs, compete in virtual races, or follow adaptive fitness plans that evolve with your progress. This is ideal for users looking to maintain or improve their cardiovascular health while enjoying the freedom of cycling outdoors. Battery performance is another area where the 2026 Carol bike impresses. It is equipped with a 750 watt-hours removable lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 90 miles on a single charge, depending on usage and terrain. Fast charging support means you can go from 0 to full in just about 3 hours, a significant plus for daily commuters. The AI software also manages power usage intelligently to extend battery life and notify the rider when it is time to recharge. Connectivity is seamless. The bike syncs effortlessly with smartphones through a dedicated app where users can track ride history, monitor bike diagnostics, receive maintenance alerts, and even lock or unlock the bike remotely. Over-the-air updates ensure the AI gets smarter over time, adding new features and refining existing ones. GPS navigation, anti-theft alarms, and voice command support are all integrated to make the ride smarter and safer. Riding comfort and safety have not been compromised either. The bike includes an adjustable suspension system to absorb shocks on rough roads and ensure a smooth ride. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes provide precise stopping power in any weather. The AI also includes a predictive braking assist feature, which applies subtle motor resistance when detecting sudden obstacles or downhill speed surges. For nighttime visibility, LED lighting is built into both the front and rear with auto-dimming based on ambient light. Priced competitively for the high-tech segment, the 2026 Carol-I-powered bike offers tremendous value when considering its intelligence, versatility, and build quality. It suits both fitness-focused users and daily urban riders who want a smarter, cleaner, and more intuitive way to travel. It represents a shift from traditional e-bikes into a new category where AI doesn't just support the rider but actively transforms the cycling experience. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Carol-I-powered bike. If you're interested in more updates, reviews, and tech insights like this, make sure to subscribe to Auto Pulse Media so you don't miss out on our future content.